Good morning, students. Now we are going to continue the Industrial Revolution in England. Here, causes of the rise of the capitalism. Firstly, it means increase in the population. Due to the Industrial Revolution, increase the national wealth, raise the standard of living, made life more comfortable. It means industrial production easily done by machines and help to save the time, and the peoples they are demanding more and more. All this help in checking the onslaught of various diseases. This it led to an increase in the population. Large requirement. There was the new enclosure law which required farmers to put fences or hedges around their fields. But small farmers who could not afford to enclose their fields had to sell out their farms to large landholders. And these small farmers they become unemployed. They are searching for the job in industries. Growth of towns. Many of the cities were located close to the coal fields that supplied fuel to the factories. Factories had to be close to source of power because of power could not be distributed very far. And the names of British factory cities soon symbolize industrialization to the wider world. Liverpool, Leeds, Sheffield, and especially in Manchester. Mass production. Due to the industrial revolution, large number of the production and mass production destroy the domestic system of production. It means handmade production. The growth of the industrial production it given very tough competition to the handloom industries, and handloom industries are totally destroyed. The people of village shifted to towns for the employment, such as in England and such as Manchester. Disappearance of small farmers. In England, small farmers they sell their land and they shifted to the towns area where the industries are there. Impact of the capitalism here. Firstly, loss of traditional job. It means the peoples who are involved in the agriculture, small farmers, and the peoples who are working in the handloom industries like handloom weavers could no longer compete with the mechanized production. It means machine production, and skilled labor lost their jobs and new machine replaced them. Exploitation. In factories, the owners taking the more and more time from the laborers but given the low wages. Stress and the strains in the industries. Overcrowding. Like here, due to the overcrowding or increase in the population, it also cause for the pollution, followed by the population growth in towns area. Socialism, it refers to the government as work for the welfare of the peoples. Socialism means only welfare and welfare for all the peoples in a society. A famous person in 1776, the famous Scottish economist Adam Smith expanded his theory in his inquiry into the nature and cause of the wealth of nation. In his book, Adam Smith very strongly abhorred state interference in the economy. Meaning of the socialism here. Socialism is defined as an economic system in which the means of production are owned by the private individual but by the community in order that all may share more fairly in the wealth produced. Or we say that as to be the control the government sector, and it also help for the peoples or the welfare for the peoples. Socialism is based on the three principles. It opposed to a private capitalism, against the capitalism, private capitalism, and it is the voice of all worker at the working class. It demand a just distribution of the wealth. Early socialists in first socialists were Frenchman Bebov, Saint-Simon, Fourier and others. Robert Owen 1771-1858 has been called the father of the British socialism. He owned a cotton mills in the Scotland. He reduced the laborers working hard, paid them good wages. It means that is denoting the socialism. Favor in the labor class. Causes for the rise of socialism in England. Firstly, as the reaction of the to the evils of the capitalism. It means capitalism means the rich person. They live luxurious life. Owners they live luxurious lives. They become rich and rich. But working class people they become a poor or still poorer. Trade union movement. The strong trade union movement had forced the British government to recognize the right of worker. After that Chartist movement, it is in the favor of the labor class peoples and increase the wages, and they also face many hardship like wanted the social and political equality. Next one is Marxist socialism. Was a German political philosopher and economist. His long-time associate Friedrich Engels, whom he had met in France in 1844, was his collaborator in writing the Communist Manifesto. Because of his revolutionary ideas, Marx had been compelled to leave Germany and make London his homeland. And both are in the favor of the peoples or welfare of the labor class. This is written in book Das Kapital. Karl Marx considered capitalist society as society divided between two classes, the working class which produce all value and the goods, and second is the which is known as the socialist class. Here in India, socialist parties like emerged in 1934. This socialist party was established in India under the leadership of Acharya Narendra Dev and Achyut Patwardhan, Jayaprakash Narayan and Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia. These persons are also in the favor of the socialism. And only socialism it denoted that welfare for the peoples of labor class and such as they got their employment and the protection against unemployment, illness and injury. They also pay special attention to provide old age pension, whatever may the principal mankind in marching towards establishing a just and benevolent state. It means totally help to the working class people, labor class people. They increase their wages, increase in facilities, skills, knowledge, education, and others development. It is referred to the socialism. Welfare all the groups of society in a country.